Module 2 of C language tutorial series. In this module, we are going to learn steps to download for Windows users and how to download and install Visual Studio Code for Mac users. First, we will see the steps to download for Windows user. First, download the Visual Studio Code installer for Windows. For this downloading of the Windows, we will give a link in the description below. Once it is downloaded, run the installer. The installer stands as Vscode user setup and the versions will be given in the bracket with .exe file extension. Exe stands for execution. By default, the VS Code is installed under this folders. Link given in the description below. And install Visual Studio Code for Mac user. First of all, paste the link in your browser. The link will be given in the description below. After pasting the link, click enter. Then you will be redirected to the downloading page of Visual Studio Code. Have download and open the Visual Studio Code installer. Then double click on this icon. Then it will start to prepare installing. After the verifying the installer, now like this pop-up screen will occur. Now click here. Now it is getting ready to install. Click here on continue. Then now it will ask us to download another .NET and iOS extensions, but we don't need any of this. So unclick the iOS and .NET. Then click on install. Now we have successfully installed Visual Studio Code. Now if you want to sign in with the Microsoft account, you can. Otherwise, click on I will do this later. After that, you have to just do the basic settings. Then click on the continue. Then here we have successfully installed Visual Studio Code for our Mac. Now in the next lecture, we will see how to create project and how to code in Visual Studio Code. Okay friends.